Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Unbox the Fingerprint terminal and place it on a stable desk or wall mount. Plug the supplied power adapter into a grounded outlet and connect an Ethernet cable for reliable network time sync. If your model includes Wi-Fi, configure it in settings after the Ethernet test completes. Set the device clock to local time and enable automatic sync with an NTP server for accurate logs. Enroll an administrator fingerprint before adding other users to secure device access and prevent accident. Enter the device menu and select user enrollment to add employees one at a time. Enter a numeric ID for each employee and record it in your staff list for payroll mapping. Scan the employee fingerprint 3 times with gentle pressure and slightly different angles to build a reliable template. Confirm the template quality and save the record only after a successful verification test. Assign user roles such as employee or manager and configure permissions for menu access or data export. Instruct staff to press firmly and hold a finger on the sensor for 1 second to ensure consistent captures. Use the verification mode for clock in and clock out to reduce false accepts during busy periods. Export attendance logs daily or weekly using a USB stick or network CSV export for payroll processing and record keeping. Troubleshoot common failures by re-enrolling the finger or checking the network and power connections. Clean the sensor weekly with 70% isopropyl alcohol on a soft lint-free cloth to maintain reading accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.